Success isn't a lottery. It's a series of calculated habits. While 99% of the world is still dreaming, the elite 1% are already executing. The first 60 minutes of your day determine the next 16 hours of your life. If you win the morning, you win the day. In this video, I'm revealing the 5 non-negotiable morning habits that will separate you from the masses and put you on the path to financial and mental freedom. Habit number 1, the no-snooze rule. The moment you hit snooze, you tell your subconscious that your goals can wait. You start your day with a defeat. The 1% don't negotiate with their alarm clock. When the signal goes off, they move. This is the first victory of the day. It's not about sleep, it's about integrity. If you can't keep a promise to yourself at 5 a.m., how can you keep a promise to your business at 5 p.m.? Habit number 2, hydration and physical activation. Your brain is 75% water. After 8 hours of sleep, you are dehydrated. The elite don't reach for coffee first, they reach for water. Follow this with 15 minutes of movement. It's not a full workout, it's a biological ignition. Get the blood flowing to your brain. If your body is stagnant, your ideas will be stagnant. Habit number 3, deep work before small work. Most people start their day reacting. They check emails, WhatsApp, or TikTok. You are letting other people's priorities hijack your brain. The 1% spend the first hour on their most important goal. This is deep work. No distractions, no notifications, just pure execution on the one thing that will move the needle for your future. Habit number 4, mental scripting. If you don't have a map, you'll get lost. Spend 5 minutes visualizing your goals as if they are already achieved. Feel the success. Write down 3 things you are grateful for and 3 things you must accomplish today. You are programming your internal GPS to look for opportunities, not obstacles. Habit number 5, the comfort trap. Seek out discomfort early, whether it's a cold shower or a difficult task you've been avoiding. When you force yourself to do something hard in the morning, the rest of your day feels easy. You build a resilience muscle that makes you unstoppable when real problems arise in business or life. The 1% lifestyle isn't about luck, it's about these 5 choices. Start tomorrow. Don't wait for Monday. If you're ready to join the elite, comment "I am ready" below and subscribe to Capital Mindset. Your new life starts when you wake up. See you at the top.